What's up, you guys? Cece coming at you with another video. In today's video, I'm coming at you with the answer to all your hair problems. So if your salons are open back up, I know a lot of us are a little weary about going in there, and some of us don't even have salons that are open back up yet. So this is the answer to all your problems right here. I received this wig from AFSISTER Wigs, and oh my god, you guys, this was one of the easiest wigs that I've gotten in a very long time. So as you can see, it comes with an adjustable elastic band, so really you don't even need to glue it down if you don't want to. The knots were already bleached and the parting space is 6 inches deep, which I think is awesome because it just makes the wig look even more natural and the part look even more natural and gorgeous. So as you can see, I'm just putting it on my head. Like I said, the knots were bleached. I did not have to bleach any knots. I didn't even have to part the wig. It came pre-parted. And the bob style is so cute for the summer. I love the waves in the wig. I didn't even have to put any product in this wig. So it's definitely something super easy for the summertime. So I already had my bald cap on, but just to make the wig look a little more natural, I'm going to go ahead and put some powder foundation on the wig as well as on the front of my bald cap. It just helps to make everything look a little more seamless and make sure that when you do see the parting, it's the same color as my scalp would be. Another amazing feature of this wig is that it also didn't require any plucking. So I did not have to pluck the front, pluck the part. I didn't have to thin out the hairline or anything like that. I feel like this wig came ready to wear out of the box. The only thing I had to do is what I'm doing now, which is cut the lace. So this is really it, you guys. This was like the easiest wig application that I've had in a very, very long time. Usually I take a hot comb to the part just to flatten out the wig, which I probably could have done, but I don't feel like it was necessary. I also, again, feel like you could have worn this without the glue. Seeing as how it had the elastic band, it would have just stayed down. But I wanted to keep my wig on for a few days, so I went ahead and glued it down. I was very impressed with the wig, very impressed with the hairline, and I would definitely try their hair again. So if you guys are interested in purchasing a wig from them, I would definitely recommend this one in particular. I am so happy with it. I'm still wearing it on my head right now and it is amazing. The links and everything will be listed down below, so make sure you check it out. And I think that's it. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.